for this hammerhead, I didn't want to make this perfectly flat, so I ran it at a bit of an angle to get a round shape there. I doubt you can see it on camera, but I did get the round shape. This side I wanted to clean up the point, and I'll do these side pieces right here to finish cleaning it up a little bit better, but I'm not going to do it on camera. And then we'll put the handle and the wedge in that. We'll call that one good. This hammerhead, I don't know, it's a cheapie. I don't know what to do with it. I'm making a decision here live. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it goes pretty much straight and then down. I don't see how you can shape metal with that kind of. And then we got the same thing here, straight down. You know what? I think I'm just going to put this one on the back burner for a while. Think about it. So the next one is this guy. It's got a rounded like curve edge up here, and this one is just flat. So I think I'll make this one next. Go from there. Got some wedges for the handles. My everything's coming loose here. And finish tightening stuff down here. Hang on a second. Alright. Pretty close to smooth right there. It's got good fill in there. This and this, one of those wedges, you seen me starting to hammer that wedge in, and it kind of took me back to an old story a long time ago when I was young. I was holding the hammer like this, way up there, and I was hammering something in front of this older gentleman, and he says, "Whose hammer is that?" I said, "It's mine." He said, "Well, won't you hold it like you own it? Put your hammer down here, handle down here, hand down here." Yeah, I don't know why that stuck with me, but you have more control back here. You don't have much control here, but you got a lot more back here. Okay, that one's done. What, 3 more? Okay, all resurfaced, new handles, ready to go on the hammer rack. Okay, so yeah, it's 6 a.m. Saturday morning. I just finished doing this hammer, and now it's time to go earn a living. So, one more thing. Found a spot for your sticker, Bear. Bear Rose Garage. Check it out. In the meantime, go out there, do your own project, and make it your own. Have a good day. See ya.